Have you ever faced a frustrating error while trying to run your data pipeline? It can be incredibly annoying, especially when you think everything is set up correctly. If that's you, stick around because today we're diving into a common issue with Dataflow and how to fix it. I totally understand how disheartening it is to see an error message pop up just when you think you're ready to go. You're not alone in this. Many users encounter similar issues when working with Google Cloud Dataflow. Here's the specific situation we're addressing. A user recently reported that when they tried to run a pipeline on Dataflow, they received a runtime exception indicating a missing object or bucket in the path. They confirmed that their staging bucket already exists and they have access to it. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So, what could be causing this runtime exception? It often boils down to incorrect paths or missing configurations in your command line. We'll break it down step by step to help you pinpoint the issue. And don't go anywhere. I have a crucial tip at the end that will help you avoid this issue in the future. To address the issue of the missing object or bucket in the path, the user should first double-check the specified staging and temporary bucket paths in their command line. It's crucial to ensure that these paths are correctly formatted. Next, the user should confirm that the specified bucket actually exists in Google Cloud Storage. They can do this by navigating to the Google Cloud console and checking the storage section. If the bucket exists, the user should check their permissions. They need to ensure that they have the necessary permissions to access the bucket. This can be done by reviewing the IAM settings in the Google Cloud console. Finally, if everything seems correct but the issue persists, the user should consider specifying the full path to the object within the bucket. This includes ensuring that the path does not end with a slash unless it is a directory. Fun fact, did you know that the name Dataflow comes from the concept of data flowing through a pipeline? Just like water through a hose. If there's a blockage, things can get messy. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution provided by another user suggests updating your run configuration. First, uncheck the flag that says Use Default Dataflow Options under the Pipeline Arguments tab. Then, make sure to leave the Cloud Storage Staging Location field blank. Here's the tip I promised. Always keep your bucket paths organized and document your configurations. This habit can save you a lot of headaches down the line. And there you have it. With these steps, you should be able to resolve the missing object or bucket issue in Dataflow. Remember, keeping your configurations clear is key. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more troubleshooting tips and don't miss our next video where we tackle another common Dataflow issue.